Okay guys, let's check out the trend for the week. Okay, so we will be checking it out together so that we can have a good trading activities throughout this week. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and if you are not on the Telegram platform, kindly do so right away. You can join the Telegram channel using the link in the description box so that you can benefit from all the activities that are going on within the platform. Okay, so let's see what you can achieve from here, guys. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out, and everything I will be doing here will be from the higher time frame so that we can capture more part of the charts, okay, for the week. Okay, so you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame whenever you are trading. Okay, so let's go straight into it, starting with Boom 1000. And of course guys, just where you're saying it, I will be using the 3M trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. I'm on H4 time frame. This actually went on uptrend right from here till this very moment, and right now it is on downtrend, and we expect it to sell more, most especially once it breaks out below this particular spot. Okay, so we expect it to sell more, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So it's going to be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out together. Oh, sorry, this is Crash 500. The first one was Crash 500. I'm going to change it to Boom 1000. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so let me change this. Okay, Crash 500 is on downtrend. I'm going to confirm it once I get there. So let's start with Boom 1000 again. Okay, so this is Boom 1000. Boom 1000 was on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it went down till it got to this particular spot, and right from there it has started an uptrend again, and of course it has been buying since then. It has not been able to break out above this particular resistance zone. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. So it has been playing around there for a while. Okay, so this is still going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend and of course once it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, now let's move on to Boom 500. Okay, this is Boom 500. Boom 500 started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course it has been going, even though there are pullbacks in between, which is normal. Okay, so it has gotten to this resistance zone, and it's around here too. So it had a pullback. Let me remove this. Okay, it had a pullback but was unable to break out above this. So if it breaks out above this, then it will buy more, but if it does not, it will come back here to this support zone and try to see if it will break out from there, and immediately it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from here, it will start selling right from there. So this is still on uptrend at the moment. It might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out from there. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, next asset should be Crash 1000. Let's check it out. Okay, this is Crash 1000. Crash 1000 started a downtrend from this resistance zone. You can see the red flag and the red arrow, and of course it started selling right from there until it got to this region, had a pullback, and it will be trying it out again. So this is still very much on downtrend. Okay, so that makes it very easy. So we've checked out Crash 500 at the beginning of this video when I made mistake thinking that it was Boom 1000. Okay, but that has been corrected, so we're going to be checking out Crash 500 again to confirm our results. Okay, so this is Crash 500 just the way we have seen it. Okay, it was on uptrend before but came to an end at this resistance zone, so it started a downtrend. It has been taking it slow, lots of pullback in between, but still going down. Once it breaks out below this, then definitely it's going to sell more. It has got into this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to come down again. If it comes down and it breaks down below, breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend, so we are cool with the results we had earlier. Okay, so now let's check out V75. Okay, this is V75, and V75 had been on downtrend for a while, but got to the support zone and played around there several times because it was trying to see if it would break out below the support zone, but was unable to break out below the support zone. So it started an uptrend right from there. So we are expecting it to get to this particular spot first. Okay, even if it's going to have a major pullback from there. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So we expect more of an uptrend from there. Okay, more uptrend from there. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with today. If you follow this particular analysis, you should be able to make huge profit for yourself for a while, I mean for a very long time. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so if you have any question about this analysis, kindly let me know in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.